Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Yup, it is after Christmas. Thank God I can't eat any more food. And I'm at my favorite place that you guys all know and love, sascars.com, which is Superior Auto Sales. I do not work for them, but they just allow me to shoot all the cool cars that they get in. But for all you guys who love these right-hand drive JDM cars, a buddy of mine, Jamie, that lives in Canada, he actually has one of these and he probably knows way more about it than I do. So it is a true JDM, it's not a conversion. I know I kind of went through the car already, and if you guys actually have one of these, know more about these Hondas, tell me about it. In the meantime, like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment down below. I always answer back. But in the meantime, I'm going to go through this car. And yeah, she is a true JDM car. If I'm right, the American one, they don't have the turn signals like this on the fender. Honda wheels, I think obviously they've been painted. And it is a Civic Type R. If it is a regular Civic Type R, I'm not sure. Buddy of mine, Jamie, I'll have to show in this video and he'll have to leave some comments on it because he knows more about these than I would. He had one, it was a regular American one. I remember I helped him do some body work on it years ago. So, but it is a cool little car. This wing, I don't know if this is factory. If you guys know, please leave a comment. I mean, it feels really thin. It feels like it's aftermarket, but I'm sure it probably is. If it's a true Type R, I'm not sure. But like I said, I know the American ones do not have these turn signals on the fender. They don't. It's going to be weird because usually when I get in it from our driver's side, but their driver's side, you know, down the other side. Does not have the original seats. Actually, I'm going to open up both doors to get a little bit of light in there. Because it's got tinted windows, so it is a little darker. I know this car is here for transport. So yeah, it's got really nice red Recaro seats in it. Really, really nice. And my favorite part, okay, somebody really tiny drives this thing. I'm trying to move. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, somebody put this style mirror in it. You can tell it clips on from the back. I mean, it says Type R right here, but I'm sure you could probably buy this anywhere. Like I said, if you guys know, please leave a comment down below. 5 speeds, of course. And it is in kilometers. And it says like 3,000 miles, basically. Like 3,066 miles. Let me see if I can get that closer a little for you. Let me get my phone out so I can get the light on it so you guys can see it. Because, you know what? There we go. Maybe that will help. Yeah. 3,000. I don't think that's a 10th mile. If it shows like 30,664 kilometers, what that comes out to in miles, I could not tell you. So, I don't know. Power mirrors. I gotta put my phone back here because I don't want to accidentally leave in this car. Power mirrors, which are cool. Oh yeah, wait a minute. I don't know if it will do it. Maybe with the keys in it? I know I just seen the keys somewhere. The keys are in this car. And I want to see if those actually fold in. I did see the keys. Probably sitting on them or something. Where the heck did they go? Black back seats. So those are probably the original factory ones. Is it in there? No. I don't know where the keys are. They probably have them inside the office. You know, they'll do that from time to time. They won't leave them in it. So this is the button for the folding mirrors. I really wanted to make them fold in, but unfortunately they probably won't do it until the keys in it. I was hoping I could find the key. Maybe. Is it in here? Nope. Nothing in the glove box. Definitely aftermarket radio. I mean, I'm guessing this is like a mid 90s, late 90s, maybe. Not sure of the year, but it is cool and they are comfortable. I remember being a buddy of mine, Jamie's. Got the little mirror. Got one over here. Yep. Like I said, aftermarket that. I'm going to pop the hood and the hatch. But it is cool how it has these door card lights that's with the red on it. I don't know if that's factory either. Somebody did that. But I am going to... Oh, you really can't do anything with these seats, can you? Alright, it's dark back there. You can't see anything. Sorry about that, guys. But yeah. Go around to the back here. This car is super clean. I mean, super, super clean. I mean, just look at it. It is probably the cleanest one I've ever seen, ever. Still had this original thing right here. This, like I said, these are probably the original back seats. They fall down. Those are, obviously this car came out of Canada. But it is super, super clean. Super clean. I mean, it is probably one of the cleanest Civics I've ever seen. Now this, I saw this. Is it a road flare? Yeah, look at that. It's a road flare. Wow. And it just goes right in this little spot right here. Yeah, I don't think the American ones have that. If you can really see that, it's a little dark. Yeah, it's got a road flare, which is pretty interesting. Yeah, no power locks, power windows. Right now, just, yeah. Is it manual windows? No, but here is the best part of this car. But just before I get to that, I just want to show you how clean it is. There is no rust, none. And I'm feeling in here, there's never been any body work. This car is massively clean. For the guys who like these JDM Civics, this is the dream car. So, all right, give me a second here. Is there a hood prop for it? Come on, no hood prop. You're killing me. Oh yeah, there is. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna show you this way really quick. All right, there you go. The VTEC. I don't know if this car came with this stock. Like I said, the JDM ones, I know they put different motors in them than what they do here in the States. But yeah, I mean, that's one of the most desirable motors that they make, which is really, really cool. And it is very clean in here too. The shock towers, there's no oil leaks. I mean, it still has the heat shield on it. So I'm guessing this car is 100% stock. I don't know if this came with it. I'm not sure. But yeah, this car is massively clean. Brake booster on the other side. If it was an American car, I think it would be on the other side, but it's not. It's over here because it has to be. But yeah, this car is just incredibly clean. I mean, stock airbox, stock everything. I gotta put you up this way again really quick so I can shut the hood. But yeah, let's see if I can get a nice thumbnail out of this. Yeah, it is really clean, man. But yeah, like I said, this car is super, super clean. Wow. There's nothing on this car for rust. I can't find any. Good Lord. But to see them this clean is, I've never seen one this clean ever. ever, ever, ever. So, all right, guys, I'm going to end this one here. I hope you guys had a great holiday. I sure did. And I hope you like this car because there's always more to record. So, till then, take care, and I'll see you guys on the next one.